What's up, you guys? It's your boy Seiko, and today, y'all already know who he is. You can't even see nothing. He just did. He like he's out nowhere. But anyway, today basically we're gonna take the plenum back off. As y'all remember in the last video, yeah, I'm not gonna talk about it. We're just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna do a little time lapse for y'all. I'm not gonna do it on the whole thing because I know it's gonna be a little minute for us to get the plenum out, which it shouldn't be that long because we deleted the EGR, and that was the main thing holding us up from pulling that plenum up. So, and on top of that, we just gotta be careful with fuel because I don't want fuel be dumping everywhere, like, you know, and it has that little fuel smell or that fuel dripping everywhere on the motor. So yeah, that's why I'm not gonna talk to anyone. We'll get right into it. So you can see, got the plenum back off. Now we gotta do this valve cover side, and we're gonna attempt to, okay, my bad, we're gonna attempt to do this little EGR bolt that's over there on the turbo that we gotta put the new screw in for it. You gotta do that and then find out his little leak problem over here, which I'm not sure. I'm thinking it's right here on this plenum because I see how this hole swelled up real bad. the one he's doing right now, like swelled up pretty bad. So I'm not sure if that's it or some other holes that we don't see. And that's how the plenum look. Those of you who don't know too much about 300s, it's a lot of. It's a lot of
Nothing, bro.
Say what?
Flip it.
It's a lot of, yeah.
Look at this shit already.
What?
Bugs.
Oh, they can get fried up if we get put back in there. Oh, kind of blurry. Let me fix that. Alright, you guys, what's up? So we got the valve cover off. Look at all that. So looks like from the looks of it, it just had that little piece missing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scrape all this off and of course redo it, which ain't no biggie because hey, it got to be done regardless. So yeah. So far as that goes, this is like actually I might hold off on putting this back so soon because we got to get to the EGR bolt. And back here I have a little room right there where I have the light at. I have a little room down there so I can maneuver down there, have a long extension on, you know, whatever I can get down there. So yeah, but I know I'm gonna cover up the cam gear because you don't want anything to get in there, any type of trash to get in there, because if you do, oof, that ain't gonna be a pretty picture. But yeah, I'm gonna do that right quick. And yeah, so Jose's making sure his side is still sealed up, which it is. It's held up pretty good, but he's just going around making sure all the bolts still tight and make sure the seal is still good. And that's really it for the valve cover part. And then all we're doing basically is taking off the heat wrap, EGR bolt, and making sure he got all his hoses is good over there, you know, to see where his leak is coming from. So as far as this goes, like we could really shoot for this thing to be done like for the plenum wise today, but the EGR bolt, that ain't gonna be like right off the bat. So yeah, but yeah. So if you wonder how 300 looks, those of you who don't own one, that's how it looks. And this is all the unnecessary things that really, you know, don't need to be on this car. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to time lapse. Alright, so we're still fighting that boat. We got it to turn a little bit. So what we want to do is probably end the video right here for today and start tomorrow. Start back tomorrow, and yeah. So, and you hear that? The wrenches in. Say what's up. Say what's up. Yeah, they're your cars. Crank it up, crank it up. Let me see how the car sound. Yeah. So he loves to get into these cars. Loves to get in there. As soon as he get here, that's where he wanna go. But you wanna end the video with me? Wanna end the video with me? I ain't say eat the camera. No. Alright, you guys. Alright, you guys. Hopefully I enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, comment down below what I should work on, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay then. Got some more to say?
Bye.
Say bye. Trying to see himself. Alright, you guys.